Welcome back to Go DIY Now. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to install bearings for an electric fan motor with iron tripod clamps quickly and easily. The bearings I'm using are recycled from old discarded items, so they're completely free, yet still deliver high performance. You'll definitely be surprised by the results in this video. If your fan is noisy, spinning slowly, the motor feels unstable, or the blades are getting stuck, this method is perfect for you. Normally, you might think about replacing it with the original copper bushing that came with the fan, but I didn't. Instead, I replaced it with two 608Z bearings. This simple upgrade can make your fan run smoothly, last longer, and work like brand new again. Now, let's carefully disassemble the fan. This type of electric fan model is only used in a few countries, so it's not very common worldwide. What about your fan? Please let me know in the comments section so I can create a new video to guide you on how to make a bearing specifically for your fan model. Just leave me a message and I'll follow your request right after this video. Thank you so much for your support. Also, in this video, please be extra careful with the 3 iron tripod legs. They are very fragile and can break easily. And one more note, the bearing size I'm using is 608Z and the fan shaft diameter is 8 millimeters. In this part, I will use long screws and homemade tools to press the iron piece and bearing together, then pin the 3 legs of the fixed bracket to secure them together as firmly as possible. I'll run the fan by hand and see. You can imagine how quiet it is. Isn't that amazing? If the video is good and useful to you, please give me advice and share useful information about this electric fan with your relatives and friends. This is my first video. I promise to release other interesting videos soon. Please like and subscribe to the channel to give me more creative motivation. Thank you very much.